Welcome to the Mirissa, which is like the most well-known beach town in the south coast. At the moment, I might be in a little bit of a trouble if you check there, because my accommodation is actually behind there. Very local. So now I think my trip to Mirissa starts with me changing the shoes and yeah, getting through the water. I feel like I'm on hiking trail. Okay, and there is some cat. Adventure every day. What can you say? It's really cool how it's like this Mirissa is super busy, or not super busy, but it's busy, and there are so many tourists and so on. But the moment you step out of the main street, it looks like this. It's empty, it's local, it's cool. And it's everywhere in Sri Lanka like that. Just step away from the main street for like 2 steps and you are at like real Sri Lanka. Okay, guys. The struggle is going on. Here there's like nowhere to walk, literally. But we are walking. I cannot imagine, like, now it's not like the real rainy season, but when it's like the rainy season, like, what is going on then? Okay, I think that's it. That's from where you can get to the beach. Yeah. So let's see what we will find in the beach in a rainy day. I already see some crazy waves there, like more crazy than usually. Yeah, I mean, it looks nice, for sure. But maybe today is not the best day to feel the vibes. I don't think many people are at the beach or they want to be at the beach. Yeah, so we have some guidelines first, like do not go to the road in bikini, take your rubbish home, and for sure something more. It's like right next to the road, which is a little bit ruining for me the beach vibes. Happy hour. Okay. No idea what's that. I think. Okay. But it looks less busy or smaller somehow than the beach in Velikama. Okay, massage seems to be a thing here. We have and a happy hour cocktail for 1,000 and full body massage for head and foot. This yeah, the waves are real. Okay, 1,000 cocktails is the thing. Still going strong. As usual, trying to walk the beach. I don't know what's happening here. Maybe building the set for the cafe, that the sand wouldn't fall. Yeah. So we have, I think, some sand bags and also some tires. Not only some, quite a lot of tires in the sand. Red flag. When you see a red flag in Sri Lanka, you don't want to be there because even if there is no red flag, it's still quite crazy. Whoa. Yeah. Honestly, I'm still not getting the Mirissa vibe. Why is it so much special than every other place I have been? When walking here, I can already remember that, like, for example, one beach that really impressed me. It was near Kal. Yeah, so the beach was near Kal, and it honestly really impressed me. Like, it was a small beach, um, and it was really cool, and it was not that famous. But Mirissa is super famous, and I don't know. For me, feels like every other beach in Sri Lanka. But let's give it a little bit more time. So I'm sitting here and I'm trying to remind all of the other beaches where I have been. And I started off with actually Mount Lavina Beach, and which is in Colombo, and it's not a bad beach. It's not a bad beach. Although it's not, there's not as much as as we have nature here. But it was a cool beach. And then we have Bentota, which I really loved. It had super cool local park there. And Hikadua was like, but at the same time it was 5 kilometers straight proper beach, so it was fun to walk. And Unavatuna, it had its own thing, you know. It has something special for people who look for it. And then Kal, of course. How could I forget Kal? One of my favorites up to now. And then what? Sorry. Trying to remember. Okay, Velikama. No, we had Posa Beach. Posa was cool. Posa was a cool one. And Velikama and Mirissa and Hangama. There was not much of the beach in Hangama, at least I didn't find anything that amazing. But there was more like the community vibe, and then Velikama had the beach basically. And now in Mirissa. Guys, I might be warming up a little bit for Mirissa because I just saw one of the cheapest prices at amazing beach restaurants, and really like cheap ones. I was surprised. I've been to so yeah, that's my life. I've been to so many beaches, and this one seems to have really good prices, and I don't know why, because it's so famous. So I have I have questions, but I think I'm going to that cafe later to eat it seemed really nice one. And also I checked that I might have been at the wrong kind of side of the beach, or not the wrong one, but there is also amazing stuff, like touristic stuff on another side. There was some kind of Parrot rock and coconut hill tree, I guess. So the furthest one was like 1.3 kilometers, I guess. So yeah, sounds walkable. So I just walk to the direction of those two things and I see what I find. So this is site number 1, Parrot Rock. I think I made a mistake. I didn't read any of the reviews before I came here because it's literally written that people are struggling to get there because how high the sea is. There is one guy fishing there. He seems to be fine. But like, I mean, today the waves are especially bad. So I'm just debating here if I should just go for it or I should just skip it, because honestly the part between those rocks doesn't seem too good and I'm not sure how deep it is. So yeah, maybe if you want to come to the Parrot Rock, don't come when it's the crazy waves season. And I read that you can go there in the morning, then it's better. But honestly, it doesn't even seem something like where I would really want to go to. But yeah, welcome to the Parrot Rock. I think I proceed. I think I see further there the coconut tree hill, and of course some beautiful beach before that. So yeah, I'm going to walk there. Wow. Surprises every day. Like, this part of the beach is pretty cool actually. And I see another part coming very soon, and this one looks also cool. Yep, and some excitement going down and crossing the almost river. It's pretty cool. It's certainly a spot for a photo. Okay, so maybe after this wave it's my turn, or I'm not even sure. Oh, there is another wave coming. But that was not so big. Yeah, and another one. It's literally like, oh no, the big one. I'm not sure when it's my time to go. Okay, after this we are going. Nothing is stopping us. Maybe only this wave. Woo! So looking at this view, looking at these super cute cafes with good prices, looking at these upcoming views, and looking at the sea or ocean. Yeah, I think I get it. I get it. I think I get why Mirissa is popular. Yeah, and I also realized that my accommodation is in a wrong place. I should be staying somewhere near this area. So maybe for tomorrow I move here. You see, I'm already convinced that I should stay one day longer. I mean, how chill is all that? And of course, all that. Okay. Yeah. Where is the coconut hill tree? I really want to get there now. Yeah, I mean, I was not ready for this, but there is even another beach, and pretty amazing beach. After a little bit of a climb, we made it up here, and the coconut hill tree is already in my sight. It's there, so definitely I'm going there. It seems to be pretty empty at the moment. It's one of like very visited spots, but at the moment it's pretty deserted. So I'm just yeah, getting up there, and the way there is amazing. So we are starting the climb up to the Coconut Hill mountain, or however it's called, Coconut something hill, Coconut Beach Hill maybe. Let's go.